Imagine stepping into a life where your wildest dreams have become your reality. A life where your ideal career, relationships, and experiences are no longer distant aspirations, but tangible aspects of your everyday existence. It might sound like a fantastical notion, but this is the potential that lies within the concept of reality shifting. Reality shifting is the practice of consciously directing your awareness to a desired reality, a reality that you have the power to create. It's not about magic or wishful thinking, but rather about harnessing the immense potential of your mind and tapping into the quantum field of possibilities that exists around us. This might seem like a new concept, but the roots of reality shifting can be traced back to ancient spiritual traditions and philosophical teachings that have emphasized the power of the mind to shape our experiences. And now, with advancements in our understanding of quantum physics and neuroscience, we are beginning to grasp the scientific mechanisms that may underpin this phenomenon. While reality shifting might sound complex, at its core it's a simple yet powerful technique. It involves deliberately shifting your focus and energy towards your desired reality, using various methods like visualization, meditation, and affirmations. The beauty of reality shifting is that it's not limited to a specific set of beliefs or practices. It's open to anyone willing to explore the vast potential of their consciousness. Whether you're a spiritual seeker, a curious skeptic, or simply someone looking for a way to create positive change in your life, reality shifting offers a unique path to self-discovery and transformation. Now let's look a little deeper into what reality shifting truly entails. At its essence, it is the deliberate act of transferring your consciousness from your current reality to a desired reality. This desired reality could be anything you can imagine: a world where you're living your dream life, a parallel universe where you possess extraordinary abilities, or even a fictional world you've created in your mind. The methods for reality shifting are diverse, yet they all converge on a shared objective: to achieve a state of heightened concentration and relaxation where you can visualize and immerse yourself fully in your chosen reality. Some individuals opt for guided meditations, while others gravitate towards scripting techniques or visualization exercises. The key is to find the method that resonates best with you and your individual preferences. It's crucial to remember that reality shifting isn't about escaping your current reality or denying the challenges you face. Instead, it empowers you to design a life you love and to explore the boundless possibilities that extend beyond your current perception. One prevalent misconception surrounding reality shifting is that it's inherently dangerous or harmful. This is simply not accurate. Reality shifting is a safe and natural process that doesn't involve any external substances or rituals. But it's imperative to approach it with respect and intention, setting clear boundaries and ensuring your well-being throughout the process. You might be wondering, why would someone want to shift their reality in the first place? The answer lies in the myriad benefits it offers. For many, reality shifting serves as a pathway to achieving their goals and dreams. By consistently visualizing and immersing themselves in their desired reality, they create a powerful momentum that propels them towards their aspirations. It's akin to setting a GPS for your life, guiding you towards the destination you desire. Beyond goal achievement, reality shifting can also enhance your self-esteem and confidence. When you realize that you have the power to shape your own reality, it instills a sense of agency and control over your life. You become the author of your own story, rather than a passive observer. Reality shifting allows you to experience scenarios and emotions that may not be readily accessible in your current reality. Whether it's reliving cherished memories, exploring new relationships, or overcoming personal challenges, reality shifting provides a safe space to experiment and expand your horizons. Countless individuals have shared inspiring stories of how reality shifting has transformed their lives. They've manifested new career opportunities, deepened their relationships, and even healed physical ailments. The potential for personal growth and transformation is truly limitless. Even if you're not seeking dramatic changes, reality shifting can be a valuable tool for personal development and self-discovery. It encourages you to connect with your deepest desires, clarify your values, and cultivate a greater sense of purpose. By exploring different versions of yourself and the world, you gain a deeper understanding of who you are and what you truly want out of life. Now that we've explored the what and why of reality shifting, let's look into the how. But before we jump into the specific techniques, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation. Preparing yourself mentally and emotionally is key to a successful reality shift. First and foremost, cultivating a positive and open mindset is essential. Approach reality shifting with a sense of curiosity and wonder, accepting the possibilities that lie ahead. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality, so fostering a belief in the process can significantly enhance your results. In addition to a positive mindset, relaxation is key. When your mind is calm and your body is relaxed, you're more receptive to the subtle shifts in consciousness that occur during reality shifting. There are many ways to relax, whether it's through deep breathing exercises, meditation, or simply spending time in nature. Find what works best for you and incorporate it into your daily routine. Creating a conducive environment for reality shifting can also make a difference. Choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can personalize this space with items that inspire you or remind you of your desired reality, such as pictures, crystals, or affirmations. Remember, preparation is not just about the physical environment, but also about your inner state. Take the time to reflect on your intentions and desires. What do you hope to achieve through reality shifting? What kind of reality do you want to experience? Clarity of intention is a powerful tool in the reality shifting process. Now that you're prepared, let's explore a simple and effective method for reality shifting. This method is called the Raven method, and it's a popular choice for beginners due to its simplicity and high success rate. Relaxation. Start by lying down in a comfortable position, closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. Focus on relaxing your body, releasing any tension or stress you might be holding. Counting. Once you're relaxed, begin counting slowly from 1 to 100. You can count out loud or in your head, whichever feels more natural to you. As you count, focus on your breathing and maintain a sense of calm. Affirmations. After you reach 100, start repeating affirmations that align with your desired reality. These affirmations should be positive, present tense statements such as, "I am in my desired reality," or "I am experiencing my dream life." Repeat these affirmations with conviction and belief. Visualization. As you continue to repeat your affirmations, visualize yourself in your desired reality. Engage all your senses. Imagine what you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful the shift. Falling asleep. As you continue to visualize, you may start to feel drowsy. Allow yourself to drift off to sleep while maintaining your focus on your desired reality. It's believed that the transition to your desired reality often occurs during the hypnagogic state, which is the state between wakefulness and sleep. The Raven method is just one of many reality shifting techniques. Feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, the most important thing is to approach the process with an open mind, a relaxed body, and a clear intention. As with any new endeavor, reality shifting can present some challenges, especially when you're first starting. It's important to acknowledge these challenges and understand that they're a natural part of the process. One common challenge is doubt. You might question whether reality shifting is real or whether you're capable of achieving it. These doubts can stem from limiting beliefs or fear of the unknown. The key is to recognize these doubts and gently challenge them. Remember the inspiring stories we discussed earlier, and remind yourself of the countless individuals who have successfully shifted their realities. To overcome this, practice mindfulness and meditation techniques that can help you anchor your attention in the present moment. You can also try using guided meditations or binaural beats, which are designed to induce a relaxed and focused state. Impatience is another common obstacle. Reality shifting is not an instant gratification process. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to trust the journey. If you don't see results immediately, don't get discouraged. Keep practicing, refining your techniques, and most importantly, believe in your ability to shift. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. By facing and overcoming these obstacles, you're not only strengthening your reality-shifting skills, but also developing resilience and perseverance that can serve you well in all areas of your life. Reality shifting is a versatile tool that can be used to achieve a wide range of goals. Let's explore some examples of how you can tailor your reality-shifting practice to manifest specific desires. Attracting love. If you're seeking a romantic partner, you can use reality shifting to visualize yourself in a loving and fulfilling relationship. Imagine the qualities you desire in a partner, the activities you enjoy together, and the deep connection you share. By consistently immersing yourself in this reality, you can attract the love you seek. Improving finances. If you're looking to improve your financial situation, you can visualize yourself having abundance and prosperity. Imagine yourself receiving unexpected income, landing your dream job, or simply feeling financially secure and free. By aligning your energy with abundance, you can open yourself up to new opportunities and financial growth. Traveling to dream destinations. If you have a longing to travel, you can use reality shifting to experience your dream destinations. Imagine yourself exploring exotic locales, immersing yourself in different cultures, and creating unforgettable memories. By vividly visualizing and experiencing these adventures in your mind, you can manifest the opportunity to travel in your physical reality. These are just a few examples of how reality shifting can be used to achieve specific goals. The key is to be specific in your intentions and visualizations. The more detailed and vivid your vision, the more powerful the manifestation. Now let's address a topic that's often on people's minds when they first encounter reality shifting: safety. Rest assured, reality shifting is a safe practice that poses no inherent risks or dangers. It's a natural process that involves shifting your consciousness, not altering your physical body or the world around you. Think of it like daydreaming or lucid dreaming, where you create vivid scenarios in your mind. Reality shifting operates on a similar principle, but with a more intentional and focused approach. You remain in control of your actions and decisions, and you can always return to your current reality whenever you choose. But it's important to practice reality shifting responsibly and ethically. This means respecting the boundaries of others and avoiding any actions that could harm or manipulate anyone in your desired reality. Remember, your desired reality is a reflection of your own consciousness, so act with integrity and compassion. It's also crucial to maintain a healthy balance between your current reality and your desired reality. While exploring different realities can be exciting and enriching, don't neglect your responsibilities or relationships in your current life. Use reality shifting as a tool for personal growth and self-discovery, not as an escape from reality. While the Raven method is an excellent starting point, there are many other techniques you can explore as you progress in your reality shifting journey. Scripting is a popular technique that involves writing a detailed description of your desired reality. This script can include information about your appearance, relationships, career, and any other aspects of your life you wish to manifest. By reading and visualizing your script regularly, you can strengthen your connection to your desired reality and increase your chances of shifting. Another technique is visualization, where you create a mental image of yourself in your desired reality. This can be done with your eyes closed or open, and you can use pictures or videos to enhance your visualization. The key is to engage all your senses and make the visualization as vivid and realistic as possible. Lucid dreaming is a technique where you become aware that you're dreaming and gain control over your dream environment. This can be a powerful tool for reality shifting, as it allows you to consciously shape your dream into your desired reality. These are just a few examples of the many advanced reality shifting techniques available. As you explore these techniques, remember to be patient, persistent, and open to experimentation. The world of reality shifting is vast and full of possibilities, and your journey is just beginning. As we reach the end of our exploration into reality shifting, let's recap the key takeaways. We've defined reality shifting, debunked common misconceptions, explored its benefits, and outlined a simple yet effective method to get you started. Remember, reality shifting is not just a technique, it's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about recognizing the infinite potential within you and using it to create a life that aligns with your deepest desires. Now it's your turn to take the leap and explore the possibilities that await you. Accept the power of your mind, trust in the process, and allow yourself to be amazed by what you can achieve. Start small, experiment with different techniques, and find what resonates with you. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek guidance, and connect with other reality shifters who can support you on your journey. Remember, the most important ingredient for success is belief. Believe in yourself, believe in the power of your mind, and believe in the infinite possibilities that reality shifting offers. Your journey to a new reality starts now. Take that first step and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of reality shifting. I hope this video has inspired you to start on your own journey of self-discovery and transformation. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep shifting.